Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom, back with a new What I Sold video. I am a part-time reseller. I do spend about 10 to 15 hours a week on my reselling business because I do have a full-time job that keeps me pretty busy during the weekdays. So I try to focus on my reselling business the most on the weekend and evenings and before work in the morning. So I'm going to share some random sales from the past couple weeks. I've been an eBay seller since 2003 and I absolutely love it. I just sold casually in the beginning, but I've really ramped it up since March of 2020. This is my current 90-day sales total on eBay alone. I also sell on another platform called Poshmark, which I just started selling on in March of 2020, and I've earned $4,553 on Poshmark. It's just a very small platform for me. I do have a $10 off code when you sign up using my code. It's GradysMom, so you'll get $10 off your first purchase, and I'll get $10 as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the sales over the past couple weeks. I just tried to cherry pick some different variety of different items to showcase. This is a top by We the Free, which is by Free People. I picked up 4 of these on a retail arbitrage buy. I paid $2 per top. They were new with tags. And I just had to do one listing with a quantity of 4, which was nice because one listing I could sell 4 different items, and a lot of, sweaters and things like that are selling this time of year. I sold this one for $14.95. This was my last one of the 4, I believe, and I was happy with that return. This next item here is like this fleece Fair Isle print cape type of vibe going on. I picked it up at a garage sale for $1. This was maybe like a month ago when garage sale season was winding down. It was in excellent condition. The brand is called Cuddle Duds, which I find quite often here in my area. I'm pretty sure it's a brand sold on QVC, but like I said, fleeces, sweaters, boots, jackets are all selling really well for me right now because, as most of you know, winter is on its way. So I did pay $1 for this at the garage sale, and it ended up selling on a best offer on Poshmark, and after the Poshmark fee of 20%, I made $16. The next sale here are these Sorel Tremblant boots. They have like a slouchy wool top and like a duck boot bottom. They're kind of like a mixed media type of boot, but I purchased these for myself actually. I purchased them pre-owned. They were a size 9 though. I thought I could make them work with some thick socks, but they were just too big on me. I'm a true 8.5, and these ran a little large, like a 9.5, so I wasn't able to make them work. I paid $30 for them, pre-owned for myself. They didn't work out, so I listed them on Poshmark, and they sold for $49, and after Poshmark fees, they take 20%. I think I made around $40. The next sale here was this Ralph Lauren button-up plaid men's extra large, like casual button-up shirt. It's actually called the Blake shirt. I've sold this shirt dozens of times in different colors and sizes over the years. It's a really popular style, the Blake shirt. So if you ever see that label and it's in excellent condition for a good price, pick it up. I did pick this up at a thrift store for just $1.99, and I always pick up the Blake shirts, especially in larger sizes, and always if the price is right. So I thought $1.99 was great. I use these plaid thank you mailers for anything I sell for men. This is $18.95 it sold for, with $4.95 for shipping, and I was happy with that sale. These are a pair of my personal jeans. They're by Rock Revival. They're the style called Betty. I bought these about 5 years ago at Buckle. I did pay retail because Buckle pretty much never ever has sales on their jeans like Miss Me and Rock Revival. But I did wear them for literally 5 years. I actually tried them on a couple months ago just to see if I wanted to keep them or not, and I just didn't. They're just not my style anymore. Like most of you guys, my style just changes over the years, and I knew that I was ready to pass these on to a new home. The retail on these is over $100, but again, I wore them for 5 years, and they did sell for $30, and the buyer paid $7.95 for shipping. The next item here is this gorgeous Kate Spade zip around wallet. It was a full-size wallet. I don't know the name of the print, but it was a really pretty wallet. I picked it up at a thrift store last year sometime for about $5. I did get a lot of lowball offers on it, but I held my ground and I did receive a best offer on Poshmark of $42. And after 20% that Poshmark took, I made somewhere in the $32 range or so. The next item here are these pair of J. Crew Jamie pants. These are like a casual style work pant. So they're like casual and comfortable, but they're also career wear. So they're kind of mixed in that sense. But I've sold a few of these Jamie pants over the years in different colors and sizes. These were brand new with the tags in this nice like olive green color. They were a size 8. I picked them up at a thrift store for just $2 and they were really nice. They're just really a really nice work pant that's also really, really comfy. And these did sell on Poshmark for $28. I believe I had them listed for $35 and someone offered me $28, which I thought was really reasonable. And Poshmark took 20%. The next item are these Vince Camuto. These are like quilted velvets. It's hard to see, but they're quilted and they're like crushed velvet. Brand new. This was a retail arbitrage buy. I purchased these for $6 and they were in brand new condition without the box. So I just listed them. They were a larger size, if I'm not mistaken. I think they were a size women's 10. And I thought $6 was a great deal. I usually ship my shoes in these USPS shoe boxes. These are back ordered right now, these boxes. I'm waiting on like 100 of them to come, but they are back ordered. And I sold them for $29.99 and the buyer paid $8.95 for shipping. This next item here is a Patagonia Cinchilla, like Aztec print 3-snap. Like they snap at the collar, and this was a size extra large. These are very, very sought after. I did pay up for this. I purchased this for $20 on Facebook Marketplace from a local person. I just went to their house and just did a porch pickup. I paid $20 and it sold for $65 and the buyer paid $9.85 for shipping. So that was a great flip. This next item are my personal Sorel boots. I think they're called the Out and About boot, if I'm not mistaken. I bought these a couple years ago off Nordstrom. I think I had a Nordstrom note, so I got like I took $20 off, but these retail for like over $100. I think they're like $120, but I wore the heck out of them for 2 winters and fall, so I wore them a lot. I cleaned them up a little bit and I packaged them in, again, one of these USPS shoe boxes that I am waiting desperately for them to come, but they did sell on a best offer on Poshmark for $60, and after Poshmark's 20%, I made $48, which is not bad considering I wore them for 2 years, a lot. The next item here is this North Face. This was a brand new without the tags. This was a very limited edition, like ski style hoodie. It had USA spell out on the arm, as you can see here a little bit in the picture, and the American flag on the other sleeve. It was like very crisp feeling, definitely like brand new condition, just no tag. I did purchase this at like a garage sale style thing that was actually indoor in someone's home last month. I had about maybe $5 invested into it because I purchased it in a bundle deal. So I had roughly about $5 of my own money actually into it. It was large and heavy, so I had to ship it in one of these USPS priority mailboxes, which was perfectly fine because it sold on Poshmark where the buyer pays shipping. Someone offered me $38 and I was happy with that. Even after the 20% fee, I still made several times my money back. The next item here is actually a personal item of my husband's. He no longer wears it. It is a Lululemon, and it's one of their Vent Tech like workout athleisure shirts. He actually has, I think he had like 5 of them in different colors. My husband and I went through a huge Lululemon phase about 5 years ago, and he's just like, I don't wear any of these anymore. And he did decide to keep some of his Lululemon pieces, like some hoodies and stuff like that, but he just doesn't wear these anymore. This was a really nice olive green and black, like a very dark olive green and black color. And I don't remember what we paid for these. I know it was expensive though, but 5 years he wore this on and off. We sold it for $35 and the buyer paid $4.85 for shipping. These are a pair of Nike Airs, brand new. I got them brand new in the box at a garage sale. I think I paid either $10 or $15. I know the 15 was the max that I paid for these, but it might have been 10. And I did list them as new without the box because it's just easier to ship them without the box, obviously, for cost effectiveness. So I put them in just the postal service, like shoebox, and they sold for $49.05, and the buyer paid $8.95 for shipping. The last item I'm going to showcase in this week's video is this Champion, brand new with the tags. This is like a coral and peach and orange tie-dye hoodie in a size extra large. I purchased this at a retail store for $12. So actually I think it was originally like $20 in the store and it was marked down to $12. So I paid $12. It sold for $49.99 and the buyer paid shipping. So that was a great flip as well. That did take a few months to sell though. And I did get some low balls, but I held my ground and I got the price that I wanted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What I Sold video. I'm sorry I'm late getting this up. I wanted to get this up last week, but I've just been so busy with everything going on with work and my son's birthday. And you guys know this time of year is really crazy. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more videos like this, I have my whole playlist of these linked down below in the description box. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.